Ruhonge rwa EACC rugite ni rwihotorete kuyukia indo cia muingi iria ciegwatirwo ni andu kiumbe rukiuga itacokia ria kuyukia mugunda uyu wa eka 2.5 tauni-ini ya Nyahururu no kionereria kia wiheani wa ruhonge ruru gukinyaniria muoroto waruo. Kuringana na mwaria wa EACC Eric Ngumbi, onjoria a mitumba nio matemanirie cira igoti-ini makienda aria mahahamite mugunda uyu uria watanyitwo kuhuthika kwaramia kiharo kia ukui wa ngari cia muingi gucokio.
EACC has visited Nyahururu town. In particular, we are on this site that constitutes property that the Commission has recovered from grabbers. The EACC, in exercise of its mandate in the fight against corruption, has recovered public property in Nyahururu town, and that is property that is measuring about 2.5 acres, cumulatively valued at around 110 million Kenya shillings.
Andu 12 nio kuratuika manyitanire na maabitha anene a migunda kwigwatira mugunda uyu na mari na mubango wa gwaka nyumba imwe nene ya wonjoria.
Before the commission moved in, the commercial development that had started included the construction of a shopping mall at this place. That means that if the Mitumba traders in this area and the EACC did not take the action that they took, then what we are supposed to be having here today is a big shopping mall among many other buildings that had been started.
Tutieciragia ati ni tugakorwo na andu tayo na tukiambiriria uhoro uyu tutieciragia kana mugunda ni tukawona no ni undu wa kwaga guaya na kwaga tamaa
na maria thungiire guku ati ndatiga jakete oguo ngakwani gucinirwo na riu ri ndakena muno ndaigua ati ni mugeretie muno gutwaririria na tugatuika kundu guku ni gugucoka mwena witu.
Ngiribota Inooro TV kuma tauni ya Nyahururu guku ni kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.